What's up, creators? Cool here, your AI mentor from authorityvideos.com, where creativity meets cash flow. Today we're diving into a trend that's taking over social media: tiny warriors riding mythical creatures. Picture this: fierce little champions astride glowing dragons, radiant stags, and shimmering wolves. It's bold, imaginative, and totally captivating. But here's the twist: I'll show you how to go beyond the basics with cinematic visuals, stunning animations, and immersive narration, ready to transform this trend into scroll-stopping videos that drive engagement and revenue. Let's go. Oh, and before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you're loving these tutorials. It really helps us keep bringing you next level strategies. Now, let's get started. Tiny warrior videos are blowing up across platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. They're imaginative, visually stunning, and packed with shareable magic. Creators are already gaining thousands of followers with videos featuring warriors riding insects or small creatures. By combining tools like ChatGPT, Leonardo AI, Kling AI, and ElevenLabs, we'll create videos that not only wow audiences, but also tell unforgettable stories. Ready to stand out, build your brand, and lead the trend? Let's break it down step by step. And as always, you'll find a free cheat sheet in the description with all the tools, prompts, and tips to bring your tiny warriors to life. Let's create something unforgettable. Open ChatGPT, paste this prompt. Generate 3 unique image prompts of the tiny warriors riding mythical creatures. Each prompt should include the warrior's size, outfit, and weapon. And this is what ChatGPT came up with. Pro tip: follow it up by make brief narration and captions with these to get captions and a narrative. Ready for the next step? Let's go. Now it's time to bring your tiny warrior scenes to life with Leonardo AI. This is where your imagination becomes reality. Here's how to get started. Log into Leonardo AI and select the Leonardo Phoenix model for detailed visuals. Set the style to dynamic and the contrast to high to make your visuals pop. Adjust the aspect ratio to 9:16 for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. Copy your ChatGPT prompt and paste it into Leonardo AI. Generate 4 to 6 variations for each scene to give yourself creative options. Save your favorite ones for the animation step. Static images are great, but animation takes your content to the next level. Let's breathe life into your tiny warriors using Kling AI. Here's how. Log into Kling AI and upload your chosen image. Use the same descriptive prompt from ChatGPT. A tiny warrior with fiery red hair and glowing blue armor, riding a shimmering dragon through a stormy sky. Click Generate Animation. In seconds, your dragon is flying through the storm and the lightning flickers. It's like a scene from an epic movie. Do this for all your scenes, and you're ready for a narration. Next up, narration. This is where your video gains depth and emotional resonance. ElevenLabs is perfect for creating professional, engaging voiceovers. Here's how to do it. Paste the narration script from ChatGPT into ElevenLabs. Choose a voice tone that complements your theme. Fine-tune the pacing and download the MP3 files for each scene. Now let's polish everything into a masterpiece using Veed. Here's how. Import your animated clips, narration, and music. Adjust the aspect ratio to 9:16 for shorts. Add smooth transitions like white flash or glow to create a seamless flow. Overlay text labels like Scene 1, The Stormy Flight to guide viewers. Add epic, dramatic music that complements your theme, something adventurous or mythical. Once you're happy with the pacing and flow, export it in HD. Your Tiny Warriors video is now a cinematic masterpiece, ready to captivate audiences and dominate TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. Tiny Warrior videos aren't just a trend, They're an opportunity to create unforgettable, high-quality content. And that's a wrap, creators. You've just unlocked the secret to creating viral Tiny Warrior videos that captivate audiences and open up revenue streams. If this tutorial helped you, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell for more game-changing content hacks. And here's a question for you. What's the next trend or tool you'd like to see us cover? Drop your suggestions in the comments. I'd love to hear your ideas. Until next time, keep creating, keep earning, and remember, it's cool to stand out.
In the silent expanse of a starlit desert, the teacup-sized warrior knocks an arrow of light, their ghostly unicorn galloping over glowing runes.
Amidst stormy skies, the diminutive hero stands tall on their phoenix's back, fire meeting lightning in an epic ascent.